Hi friends, welcome to All Hub BMK channel. Today I discuss about Barendra Museum. A visit to a place of historical importance is really interesting, attractive and detective. Barendra Museum has a place of historical importance. It is located in Rajshahi, Bangladesh. Last Friday, I, along with my classmates, paid to visit to it. We went there by bus and two of our teachers guided us. Visiting it, I come to know that Baranda Museum was the first museum to be established in Istohail, East Bengal in 1910. The museum started out as the collection for Baranda Anushandhan Samiti or Barendra Investigation Society and got its current name is 1919. The Jamindars of Rajshahi and Nator, notably Kumar Sharat Kumar Rai, donate their personal collection to Barendra Museum. Barendra refers to an ancient Janapada corresponding to modern northern Bangladesh. Excavation at Sompur Bihar was started by the society along with Kolkata University in 1923. In 1964, the museum became a part of Rajshahi University. It has even galleries. I visited all the galleries. Gallery 1 has collection from the Indus Valley civilization and some of its 2,265 items from Sompur. It also contains old Sanskrit, Arabic and Persian scripts. Gallery 2 has Buddhist and Hindu stone sculptures and modern wood sculptures. Gallery 3 and Gallery 4 display stone sculptures of Hindu gods and goddesses. Gallery 5 offers mostly Buddhist sculptures. Gallery 6 shows Arabic, Persian, Sanskrit and Old Bangla stones inscription and sculptured stones of the museum period. A recent gallery has been added displaying the indigenous and tribal culture of Rajshahi religion. My visit to Barendra Museum was memorable. It was really very pleasant. It has widened my knowledge and experience. So guys, how was my video? Please subscribe all of you channel and also like, comment and share.